Hindi pa ako na-add sa
I've
Steam.
been
Ay, oo nga
a huge
pala!
fan of your work, especially that Sakamoto
Oo nga
case.
pala. Sorry.
The way you cracked it was pure genius.
Nakaligtaan ko.
Your dedication is legendary.
Send mo sa akin ulit
That's
yung
why
yung
I
Steam
knew
code
you
mo
were
para
the right
ma-add kita,
person
ha?
to reach out to. I've got this strange situation at my place that's been keeping me up at night.
Kaya na natin to, Harkiel. Scene, thank you so much sa'yo.
Words.
Let's go.
Nice to meet you. Now, tell me, what's
Lakas ng
going on?
hilik nito ni Doggy, oh.
It's about Mrs. Susan, like I mentioned in the email. The lady helping my pregnant fiance, Kaylee,
Sigawan na
in the
naman to.
house. We brought her in because she seemed very lonely. She's practically family, living right next to our house. About a week ago, she disappeared, gone. Not answering calls, missing her usual hours.
Disappeared for a week? Yeah, that's definitely cause for concern. Anything unusual about her behavior before she vanished?
Yeah, that's the thing. She started acting strangely, calling us by different names, humming these bizarre tunes. It
Tumigil na yung ulan.
freaked out Kaylee.
Tumigil na yung ulan.
She went to
Good
stay
thing,
with her
good
parents
thing.
for a bit.
Uy, Janice! Good evening! Shoutout sa'yo, Janice.
I thought
Salamat
maybe
ng marami,
it's
no?
dementia or something.
Baldo! Baldo! Yes!
And don't worry about Bashka. Hopefully, she'll still be sleeping when I get back in a few hours. But I
Sa
gotta
amin
warn
di
you,
na ulan. Uy, good
she can be
thing yun,
one
ha?
noisy little girl sometimes.
Mas mabuti yun,
I
mas mabuti.
understand, Colton. I love dogs. And I'll start an investigation.
Sana nga
right
mamaya
away.
pagpasok ko walang
You
ulan.
go be with Kaylee.
O
And
kaya
about
wala
the
mo nang
money,
pasok, no?
Don't worry. You'll find Mrs. Susan.
Pero
She's been like a grandmother to you two.
pag nagtatrabaho ka talaga,
Absolutely,
imposible lang
She's been like family.
masuspend yung pasok mo, eh.
Especially after buying
Pag nagtatrabaho ka na,
But
imposible
Mrs.
nang
Susan
masuspend
is
yung pasok mo talaga.
everything, you know? Well, I'm heading straight to Kaylee's parents now.
Pa din ako sa Steam. Sure
Give me a
dyan.
call as soon
Check nyo
as
sa akin
I
yung
know
ano,
anything.
yung
We're
Steam code
really
nyo.
worried about her.
Chat nyo sa akin sa Steam yung ano. Ay, chat nyo sa akin sa TikTok yung Steam code nyo, guys. Okay, let's begin. Eto na tayo. Begin your investigation. Investigation. Ay, kailangan na naman natin magsulat nito. Nabura ko yung ano eh, yung sinulat natin before eh. Asan na yung notepad natin? Ayan, notepad. Kailangan natin to. Kailangan natin ng notepad na to. Wait lang guys ha, setup ko lang. Ano yun? Teka lang, di pa ako nag-i-start. Wait lang.
Almost like my place.
Join kayo RKL. Ay, oo nga no, di na ako nakakapag-Mecha Chameleon, no? Sige, sige. Nami-miss ko na rin yung Mecha Chameleon kasi balita ako may bagong update sila, parang pinalaki yung mapa. Hindi ko pa na-experience yung malaking mapa na yun sa ano. Sa Mecha Chameleon, no? Buksan muna natin yung ilaw. Buksan muna natin yung ilaw, no? Kasi medyo kinakabahan ako eh, sa totoo lang. Kahit nalaro ko na to, medyo kinakabahan pa rin talaga ako. Wala ba tayong flashlight? Wala palang flashlight yata dito. Meron pala, meron pala. My pulse, my pulse. To, may plot twist dito banda eh. Baby, thank you so much. Shoutout sa'yo.
Baldo! Baldo!
May update, may bagong mod. Tapos maliit na brush. Ay, mas okay yun, no? Yung ano, yung sa brush kasi para at least lalo natin ma-enhance yung pagpipinta at pagpatatago sa paligid, no? Kasi minsan kasi hindi siya ano eh, parang magulo yung ano, yung dating brush kapag pinaliitan mo. Pero di ko pa man nakikita. let's check it out soon. Yung bagong update ng Mecha Chameleon, no? Sa mga may Mecha Chameleon dyan, mas maganda kasi guys, no? If naglaro tayo, or maglalaro tayo ulit nun, sana marami tayo kasi mas maganda if magkakakilala yung ano, yung naglalaro. Tapos may magjo-join na lang. Ito yung computer
Not now.
pero mamaya na yan. Kailangan muna natin mag-investigate sa paligid muna. Wait lang guys. Pucos lang, Pucos. Pucos lang, Pucos. Ay, kulay pink! Yan ah. Anong cup yan? Anong cup yan? Ay, sorry.
Aray ko!
Kay Lola yata yan, kay Lola. Kulay mink. Ngoller mink. Ilaw. Bawal lang stream snipe syempre para maganda yung laro, no? Para mas ma-enjoy. Kaso Orkiel, parang nakikita ko lang ah. Not sure kung totoo. Di ko alam kung bakit ginagawa rin ng ibang players to sa Mecha Chameleon. Nag-cheat sila. And ang hatid may cheat sila sa Mecha Chameleon. And di ko magets ba't nila ginagawa yon. The only thing is para ma-enjoy mo lang naman yung game, ba't nag-cheat pa sila?
Ultrasound of a child. Yeah, probably the client's
Ikaw talaga ba?
fiancé. But why is it written here? How long do I have to
Ba't may
wait?
lala sa screen? Ayun yung may kita mo mamaya kung bakit merong sa screen yan.
I have a feeling this case is closely tied to the client's fiancé.
Dilim ah! Yan, may ilaw. Nice one. Horror. Yes pa! Salamat sa pagsagot, RV! Yan, may ilaw tayo rito.
I have other things to do.
Ano pang kailangan
Better
natin
get
ano?
back to it.
Na-investigate naman na natin ah.
I can relate.
Final notice.
So hard to be young these days.
Ito na lang yata yung kulang. Oo nga, no? Ito.
I hope everything works out for them.
Meron pa ba? Blink yung ilaw dito. Dapat magparamdam si Lola. Uy, huwag ka naman. Bakit ba paramdam? Kailangan ba talaga? Ay na, ito na! Sucker, there's no going back now. You have to face what you sign. Alam ko na laro ko na to guys, pero sobrang creepy pa rin talaga.
No fucking way. If I have to chase down a password for another 2 hours again, I'm out.
Okay, ito yung mga password na kailangan natin. Susulat na natin siya guys ha. It take time lang guys, pero bear with me, bear with me. Ano yan? Labeled box with our login and password. First, the chicken, cow, followed by the rabbit. Rabbit, pinumulate for login is the shark. And lastly, the cat. Password naman. Password, fish. Teka lang, Lola. Huwag ka maingay, Lola. Huwag ka maingay. Teddy bear. Robot. Wait lang, Lola. Huwag ka maingay. Teka lang. Polski. And yung clown. Lastly, yung clown. Yan. Kailangan natin mahanap yan. Weird talaga ng game na yan. Well, pero talagang ang creepy rin talaga. Sobra. Matagalan daw si Lola.
Aray ko!
Katski. Number 3 yung cat. Number 3. Cow. Number 9. Number 9 yung cow. Wait lang. Baka nasa paligid siya. Check natin yung camera. Kuya. Sorry na guys, sorry na. Dinilit ko yung Candy Crush niya kasi dito. Hindi ko pa nga nabubuksan eh. Ay, hindi ko pa malalaman yung camera pala. Hindi ko pa mabuksan. Hindi ko pa pala mabuksan yung PC kaya hindi ko pa alam yung sa camera. Sorry na, Lola, kung dinilit ko yung Candy Crush mo ha. Pasensori na. Buksan mo yung ilaw, please. Buksan mo yung ilaw. Ito si Robot, number 4. Number 4 si Robot, number 4. Yan. Dito muna tayo. Jasmine, shoutout sa'yo. Salamat sa pag-follow, Jasmine. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Eto. Shark. Anong number 6 yung shark? Number 6 yung shark. Dahan-dahan lang. Opo. Hana, thank you so much, Hana. Shoutout sa'yo. Meron pang isa rito. Parang Hirono, no? Parang Hirono. Ganito kasi yung box ng Hirono, guys, eh. Parang ganyan. Naka-mystery box lang. Ganyan talaga yan. Yan. Chicken. Number 8 yung chicken. Kumakain while watching. Oy, Hana! Eat well. Sana di ka magulat. Roy, thank you so much sa pag-follow. Shoutout sa'yo, Roy. Pag papalapit siya, ay, di ko sure. Sa camera natin malalaman. Hulski, number 1. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya malalaman kapag lumalapit na siya or malapit na siya, eh. Maybe pag tumitingin lang siya, pag lumilingon siya. Like yung kanina. Buksan mo yung ilaw, please. Buksan mo yung ilaw. Nakuha ko na ba to? Rabbit. Number 2. Number 2 yung rabbit. Tingin ko nandyan siya. Wala ba yun? Wala tayong choice kundi mag-investigate talaga sa bahay. Wala nang no choice talaga, guys. Kailangan maglibot sa bahay. Medyo malag ba? Malag. Ito yung isa. Teddy. Number 7 si Teddy. Number 7. Hindi naman, no? Salamat sa pag-confirm, Texton. Number 7 si Teddy. Ilan na lang kulang? Fish tsaka si Clown. Fish tsaka si Clown. Asan yun? Ito. Si Clown. Ito si Clown. Number 5. Number 5 siya. Ito si Fish. Timers kay. Timers. Excuse me po. Aray ko. Coke pa. Oy, tubig yun. Tubig. Sorry na. Si Fish, 0. Number 0. 0. Yan. Okay na. Balik tayo sa taas. Sa PC natin. Balik tayo sa PC natin. Mabagal lang. Para sulit ang oras. Kung ako sa ibang tatakbo na ako. Uy. Okay. Password 89263. 89263. Ay, username pala. Login pala. Password 07415. Yan! Bila. Si Bila.
Babe, is Kaylee home? Have you fixed her cam yet? I was thinking we could have a little, hour time while she's away.
Oh, hey, Bella. Yeah. Kaylee's with her parents tonight. What's up?
Seriously? You sound a bit off, babe. Is everything okay? I was really looking forward to seeing you.
Yeah. Just
Jowa
a
niya
bit
to? Jowa
tired.
niya?
You know.
Ay, oh,
It's been a
sabagay, may
hectic
babe
day.
sila eh.
Tired, huh? You sure? You sound like something's up. I was really hoping to come over. What's the deal?
Just need a bit of downtime. Mrs. Susan is missing.
Asawa niya, no?
Suzanne's missing? You're being a bit vague, babe. I was really hoping to spend some alone time with you.
Jasmine, Sarah
What's
say
the story?
Jasmine.
Look, it's just not a good night, and I need to take it easy. Can we catch up some other time?
Sure, but you're not fooling me. Why are you being so distant? We had plans and now you're backing out?
Bella, it's not the right time. I promise we'll make up for it. I need to go. Catch up later. Kaylee won't be thrilled about this.
Eh, tapos na pala. Let's go. Camera muna. Paano ba yung night vision? Paano yung end? Yan! Okay. Lola, Lola, Lola. Eh, kumakaul yung aso. Dito tayo. Saan yung aso? Ayan, ayan yung aso, ayan yung aso. Pupunta tayo dyan, pupunta tayo dyan. Kung nasaan yan, kung nasaan yan. Computer search. Crawler, 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 crawler. Crawler. Crawler, crawler. Crawler, crawler. Nakakabahan na kuya. Sama-sama tayo rito. Sama-sama. Damay-damay na to. Si Chico. Crawler daw, crawler. Okay. Na-search na natin. Camera ulit. Puta ka! Ginagawa mo dyan! Ginagawa mo dyan! Uy, ang lakas mo! Ang lakas mo, Lola! Wala na siya! Wala na siya! Ay, Janice! Ay, Janice! Thank you so much, Janice, sa pa-corgi! Salamat, Janice!
Baldo!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Janice. Thank you so much. Shoutout sa'yo. God bless, Jani! Sorry, Bon. It's okay, Janice. It's okay. That's fine, that's fine. Nasaan yun? Nasaan yun? Si Lola. Sumisigaw si Lola. Kailangan ko yatang mahanap yung ano. Kailangan may papahanap yata sa atin. Parang naalala ko yung tinuro sa atin ni Arkiel na parang papel. Pero parang mamaya pa yun. Not sure eh. Guys, sobrang dilim ba? Sobrang dilim yata. Yan guys, kita na? Kita na? Screaming. Screaming. Iba-iba sila. Iba-iba. In-update ko na yan. In-update ko na yan. Ano yun? From now on, will detect very noise you make. You can also start communicating. Are you friendly? Wait lang guys, wait lang. Nasira yata yung puwang ko. Are you friendly? Are you friendly pa? Are you friendly pa? Hindi siya friendly. Totoo. Legit,
Colton,
legit.
It's me again.
Ayaw
Listen,
makipag-friends
stay quiet for a
sa'yo ni
second,
Lola.
okay?
Oo.
I need to tell you something. So, I did some digging online, and guess what? Mrs. Suzanne died some time ago. 3 years to be exact. Isn't this crazy? I mean, why didn't we hear about it right when it happened? Why did you seen her this whole fucking time? Something is not right here. It's like someone wanted to sweep it under the rug or something. This is all so bizarre.
Ayaw makipag-friend ni Lola.
I need some time to process this, and you should probably see a shrink or something, unless this is some damn ghost business. I'm done. Don't try to reach out to me. I'm dead serious.
Nakipag-break yata yung jowa niya. Camera muna tayo. Ay, kasi naririnig pala ako. Aray ko.
Aray ko!
Ayoko na magsalita. Ayoko na magsalita. Asan yung aso kumakahol? Kawawi tayo. Gusto kong pahinaan yung mic. Gusto kong pahinaan yung mic. Gusto kong pahinaan yung mic. Kaso parang wala. yung mga papers hanapin natin, yung mga papel, yung mga papel hahanapin natin. Di ba, Arkiel? Hanapin natin. Granny! I'm here! I'm here, Granny! This way, this way, this way. Come here, come here. Are you friendly? Where are you? Why are you going upstairs? Go down. Isa-isa ka lang. Upo, babalik sa PC. Punta tayo dito. Punta tayo.
Baldo! Baldo! Yes!
Tigok tayo. have assisted you in cleansing our shared garments. Daily crime. Ay, sa ano? Sa laundry. Sa laundry. Sa laundry. Sa laundry. Sa laundry. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you sa pag-guide. Bakit yata yung ilaw? Let's go. Let's go. Suntukan tayo. Suntukan. Suntukan. Suntukan, Lola. Kaya mo yun. Kaya ka po. Kaya talaga. Kakayanin. Ulit. Bakit? 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 Bakit?
Aray ko!
Ano, bakit naman? Ano naman?
Aray ko! Aray ko! Aray ko!
Fake everything, guys. It's just a game. Fake blood, fake everything.
Baldo! Baldo! Yes!
Shukran, sir. Thank you so much.
Baldo! Baldo! Yes!
What's going on here?
I'm Detective White. Just conducting an investigation.
Detective, you say? What brings you to this house, making all this ruckus? Folks around here can't get a moment's peace.
My apologies, Sheriff. I'm here on behalf of the new residents who requested an investigation into the disappearance of Mrs. Susan, the former occupant of this house.
Mrs. Susan, bless her soul, she passed away 3 years ago. Why would anyone be poking around her old place now?
Well, Sheriff, sometimes these cases have a way of lingering. The new residents are concerned, and they just want some closure.
Closure, huh? Well, I reckon that's understandable. But what's with all the noise?
Yes, I'm afraid my investigation
May
can
hindi
get a bit
nakapanood
noisy
last
at
time,
times.
kaya wag natin
Just
i-spoil.
trying to leave
Di ko rin-
no stone.
di ko rin kikwento.
But if you don't mind me asking, why now? Why all this fuss over Mrs. Susan after all these years?
It's my duty to follow up on any leads, Sheriff. Right now, my leads point me to this house.
Well, all right then. I'll leave you to it, Detective. But try to keep it down, will you? Don't need the whole town up in arms over some ghost story.
Hindi pwedeng mag-ingay, guys. Maririnig ako ni Lola. Maririnig tayo ni Lola pag nag-ingay tayo.
Aray ko! Aray ko! Aray ko!
This fucking time, I won't let anyone escape.
After all this, I'm gonna pin all the blame on you. No more running. Let's get this over with. That bitch and her sorry excuse for her family got what's been coming to her. You hear? Get the hell out of here. Should have just stayed out of this. Now, you're gonna burn. Can't wait to finally burn this house down and close this case for good.
Kunat niya. Kunat niya. Ha? Ano yan? Buhay yung ba? Lalaki? Yung pulis yata yun. Ulo. Yung ulo, no? Sorry, di ko agad nakita. Everything is fake, guys, ha? Everything is fake. Fake blood, fake scene, fake everything. Magu, good evening. Shoutout sa'yo, Magu. Shoutout sa'yo, Magu. Gosh, ano yan? Gosh, may nakalibing. Katawan niyo ni Lola? In a stunning revelation, Detective Wyatt unraveled the dark truth behind the tragic deaths of Miss Susan and her husband. The culprit was none other than the revered Sheriff Robert Holton, a man of authority and respect in the community. Jealousy had consumed him when Miss Susan chose another over him, leading him to commit a heinous act of vengeance. Uy! Gumantay yata yung ano sa kanya, no? Katawan ni Lola at pamilya niya, no? As a hero disguising his own sinister deeds, he orchestrated the fire and his Miss Susan. Crimson Eyes, wala pa akong ano kasi yun, Infinity. Wala pa akong na-download na games na yun. I-check ko pa sa Steam if magkano siya, no? Hindi ko pa siya nabibili. Pero meron akong mga naka-next up na game na available. Maybe soon yan, no? Infinity, ha? Salamat ng marami. Dahil sa inggit ng hero ng asawa ni Lola, when the police arrive, download natin. Check ko muna if wala pa akong budget eh. Check ko muna if magkano, ha, if kaya. Check muna natin, ha. Thank you for understanding. Salamat ng marami, no? Ay, bakit ba ako bumubulong? Pwede na pala akong magsalita ng maayos. This game is not related sa part 1, no? Bali, meron pa tayong mga available game. Shoutout kay Key. Meron pang 2 game na nag-gift sa atin or niregalo sa atin ni Kay. Yung ganon, at saka yung